Here's a simple trick to create a then versus now post on Facebook. First, open the Facebook app on your phone. Now tap on What's on Your Mind to create a new post. Next, tap on the gallery option in the bottom left corner. Here, select the first image you want to compare. Once selected, tap Next in the bottom right corner. Tap on the Edit button. Here, you can edit the photo as you need. You can add text and write something like "then." You can also customize the text with colors, justification, border, and many more. Drag the text to position it where you like, and pinch the text to resize it. Tap on Next when finished. Now select Add Media, and select the second photo. Repeat the same editing steps for the second photo as well. Once both photos are edited, tap on the layout icon, and then select Frame. If you are satisfied, you can post the photo. And just like that, your side-by-side comparison of then versus now is posted.